Okay, my dear friends, I'm so glad that we have finally finished our trip or journey at the Salcantay. I would like you to tell me how did you enjoy your trip?
It was amazing, really, 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 really. I would do it again.
Had a beautiful time. It was awesome. Right now we're at Machu Picchu. The sun is shining. We saw the sunrise. We'll do it again.
We definitely got lucky. We definitely had the best guide. Great weather, great scenery, and Machu Picchu is amazing.
Juan's a very funny man, and he's very entertaining with his dance moves.
There you go.
He's a very good guide though, and I've really enjoyed my time.
I've loved it here. I feel like family. It's beautiful. It's love everywhere. Good job.
So guys, here's my question to you. Do you think you have had an amazing Andean adventures?
Yeah!